Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show how to factory reset, default factory reset on your Samsung S10, S10 Plus, Note 10, Note 10 Plus, any Samsung mobile. So how to do this? So go to settings, go to the settings. Under settings, right, just scroll down here, right, you can see this about phone, or you can even enter here factory data reset. It is under general management. You need to go to general management, tap on this. Here you can see this option reset. So under reset, right, so you can see this option factory data reset. You can do reset settings, reset network settings, reset accessibility, but I'm going to do factory data reset. So this will erase data including files and downloaded apps. So I'm going to do this. So just scroll down here, reset button is there. Before you do, if you have important files or data, just take backup and then do it. Then gonna tap on delete all. So everything is done. I think it's restarted. It will take some time. You have to wait for some time. So that's it. It's restarted. Now I need to go. Let's go. So which means it is, completely factory default reset is done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put the comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.